How do I become a leader? I was not born a leader, so how am I gonna lead people? Well, nobody was born a leader. You learn through life experiences. The things you go through, tell other people about them, how you coped with those challenges. Then you are a leader. You are in this network marketing business, there are challenges that you're gonna face in this business. Those challenges, write something about them, write an article, post a video on the internet about those challenges. Tell people how you went through those things, how you overcame those challenges. Read the books. Books have lots of information that will help you grow. Books about leadership, books about management, books about whatever topic you can think of in business. The information you get there, tell people what have you done about that information. That's what's going to make you a leader. Your experiences that you go through, you have to give them to the people so that they can see that this is a person who knows what he's talking about. This is a person that I can be friends with, that I can be partner with, because he has been there. He knows what it takes to overcome the challenges. This is Simphiwe Chimthethwa signing out. See you on my next video.